Hello, this is Kevin at Poolstar, the Henderson and Las Vegas swimming pool service company that makes pools sparkle. Today I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to clean a Jandy Pro Series. It's called the Truclear salt system. They have all the instructions on here, and you can find out the manual at jandy.com. But the basics on how to check the salt cell and clean it as needed will be explained here. So what I've done is I've turned off the system. If you have a controller like this, you can just put it into service mode, or you can turn off the breaker to the equipment so that you're sure that the system is not going to come on while you're cleaning the cell. And also during the salt cleaning time, you need to disconnect the cell here from the actual unit. You twist that and it comes off, and then you would go over to the cell, which is over here. This is the Jandy Truclear actual cell, and you can see within it there is some calcium buildup. So today we're going to learn how to take that off. There's a couple of ways you can do it. You can do what's called an acid wash on the cell, which you have to be very cautious with, and as mentioned, you have to disconnect the cell from the power before doing it. And you can put this whole cell into a bucket of cleaning mixture, and Jandy recommends a mixture of 10 parts water to 1 part muriatic acid. And at that time you would put the mixture into a bucket, and then you would put this down into the bucket, and then as it submerges you will see it start to bubble. This cell has been cleaned fairly recently, so there's not a whole lot of build-up on it, but there's some around here as well. But you should monitor the cell cleaning process, and after about 5 minutes see if it's still bubbling, and if it is still bubbling it may need to be left in there a little longer to get all the calcium off. The other way that you can clean the cell is by using one of these cleaning sticks. They're actually just a piece of wood. It's this one is from a Starbucks. It's a coffee stirring stick, but you can gently use the stick to break off the calcium that comes up on these grids. You should be inspecting these cells at least every 2 months, because in certain areas like here where the water comes from the Colorado River, it can be very high in calcium, which can cause these cells to get backed up pretty quickly. But just a reminder, you do need to do it exactly as the manufacturer states, and on these Jandy cells it's different to many other cells. You do need to do 10 parts water to 1 part acid. If you over acid wash these cells, it can be corrosive to these grids, and you may need to replace the cell. So just be very cautious. I like to use these wooden sticks, which is not as harsh as doing an acid wash, and you can break these off pretty quickly. As you can see, it's coming off pretty easily. Jandy does supply these called winterizing caps. So if you did want to be servicing the pool, say while you're doing the acid wash of the cell, you could just take the cell off, let it be in the cleaning mixture, and you could put this winterizing cap on, and you could run the system so there would be no downtime while the cell is getting cleaned. So once you're done, you basically put the cell back in place, ensuring that it's in the correct positions. It's got arrows here saying lock. Tighten it up really nice and tight. You'd come back over to the controller, plug the cell back into the power, and then come over here and start up the system again. This one I'm just taking out of service mode and putting it into auto mode. You may have to turn the pump on, or it may come on automatically. Either way, that's how you do it. Just a reminder, check the cell every 2 months minimum. Don't over acid wash the cell, because that can be harmful to it. Use the correct mixture, 10 parts water to 1 part acid, or use these wooden cleaning sticks that you can pick up from most coffee shops. If you have any questions, be happy to help. Please contact us on poolstar.net or call us on 702-557-6625. Thank you.